guys, welcome back to my channel. It doesn't really feel like fall outside yet, but I feel like I want to get in the fall spirit and share a little inspiration with you guys today. So today's video is going to be a little different. I thought I would share like my healthy turkey chili recipe. This is great if you want something in the crock pot that you can just like throw in and go about your day, and at dinner time it's ready. It tastes so good. It's healthy, but your husband will still really love it, and there's ways to modify it to make it less healthy or more healthy. So I thought I'd share that. I bought a bunch of like fall pumpkin candles that I thought we could unbox, go over. I'll show you guys everything I bought, and then I'm actually gonna pull out some of my fall decor and show you guys like how I'm gonna set up the house for fall. So this is just gonna be like a little inspiration for fall. If you guys like this idea, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I make new videos all the time just like this, and if you want to see my recipe, keep watching. So for this chili recipe, it is super easy. Usually it takes about 4 to 6 hours to cook. I'm a little short on time today, so we're gonna keep it at 4 hours, but you need a crock pot. Mine is not fancy. I think it was 20 bucks from Target, and it's been great for like 4 years. These were actually a recommendation from you guys over on the vlog channel years ago. They are slow cooker liners. So I use these all the time now. You just get them at the grocery store, and they're these little like plastic bags, and they go in the bottom of the crock pot. I'll show you guys in a second. And then that way like cleanup is so much easier. This, by the way, stays good for a couple days. So just a little olive oil, some chicken stock. For vegetables, you'll need bell peppers, an onion, jalapeno, avocado for topping. Tomato would also be good, but it looks like Michael just got canned tomatoes. This one's actually really good with the chilies. They're like fire roasted, so I like those. Corn, I usually just do a can. It's so much easier. And then some beans and some tomato sauce, whatever one you like. And then for meat, you could do ground beef, but I really like this Jenny O ground turkey just because it's really lean, it's lower fat, and it tastes so good. And then of course you'll need like spices. So garlic, onion powder, salt, pepper, chili powder, like all that kind of stuff. But I'll write everything down below. And I also thought we could make this. I found this at Target the other day. It's Kodiak cakes. I really love their protein pancakes, but they came out with a protein cornbread. I always think cornbread goes like really good with chili, and this is kind of like a healthier option, so we're gonna make that too. Okay, it's good for onion. And 1 bell pepper, whatever color you want. If you're doing a tomato, you can cut up your tomato now too. Cook it on high for 4 to 6 hours. Okay, while the chili is cooking, I am gonna open my huge box of candles, and then we can really set the mood in here and make it smell like fall. Okay, so I placed a huge order at Bath & Body Works. I have loved their candles for years, like the big 3-wick candles. I don't care what you say about them. I love them, and I only buy them during the fall and winter because I just really love the scents that they have that time of year, and I'll just keep buying them year after year. They just like, now they bring back memories for me, and I love them. So throughout the rest of the year, I usually don't use candles. Here and there I will, like if people come over, or like I'll use my diffuser. But this is really great. I feel like also you have people over a lot more during the holidays, during the fall and the winter, so I love having candles to kind of create like an ambiance and just like set the mood. To do them at night is really pretty, so I got a couple. And like I said, they were on sale for, I think they're like $10.75 or $10.99 when I bought them, which was a really good deal. I think it's like half off. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I thought I got 7, but I guess I got 6. So smells so good. So they come packaged really nicely. I was kind of worried about getting them in the mail because one time I did get a broken candle, but these all look good. Okay, so first up, I got Marshmallow Fireside. That smells really good. So usually I don't get like sweet smells like this, but I just kind of wanted to get like at least one. And this just smells like vanilla marshmallow, but a little bit woodsy. It's really pretty. Okay, next up, I got Autumn. This one smells so good. This one really reminds me of like just the past years throughout fall. If you can hear Julian, he's just playing in the back with Michael. So this one has bright red apple, juicy fig, eucalyptus, and fir. It smells so like fresh and like clean, kind of like apple juice. Is that weird? It kind of smells like apple juice in a good way. I like cider. Okay, sweater weather. First of all, I thought the packaging on this one was really pretty. It's like a sweater on one side and then like white birch or white, something like a white tree on the other. This one smells really pretty. It's kind of like manly and musky, but it's also very clean and fresh. It smells like a clean house. So this next one is Leaves, and I feel like if you've been watching YouTube for a long time, then I'm sure you've had this candle at least once. This just reminds me of like years ago. I loved watching candle hauls. I was so into Bath and Body Works, and I still am, like I said, like around fall and winter, but this one is just like the perfect fall candle. It's very spicy and warm. It's cinnamony. I just really love this one. So that is Leaves. Leaves and Autumn are probably like the most like typical ones. I actually got 2 of Leaves because it's my favorite. I love that like cinnamon smell. And then what's my last one here? Flannel. Flannel's a really good kind of musky one too. This one is bergamot, mahogany, and soft musk, and it looks like a flannel shirt. So pretty. I really like this one. But also they're like scents that are more musky or more manly are still very fresh. Like they're not overpowering. And one thing I love about Bath and Body Works candles is like you actually smell them. So these are great just kind of like to set the mood. I'm gonna light one and then I'm gonna go grab my fall decor. Okay, so this is my little front entryway table. I'm gonna light one of the candles. So my little table and these vases are from Z Gallery, and I'm gonna light the sweater weather candle. It's really pretty in blue. I already have some candy sitting out. I put the good stuff like on the bottom, so I try not to look at the good stuff, like the chocolate. I know this video is very vlog style, but I just had to show you. How cute. You're so cute.
So this is our olive wreath that we got from Front Gate.
Yep.
Correct?
Yep.
This one's from At Home.
That one was probably like $300 cheaper. I'm not gonna tell you how much this one cost. It's pretty though.
That's why we cut your credit cards. I cut your credit card.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep. Ooh, that's pretty. Very harvesty. Do we have another mat?
Somewhere.
We need a new mat. That's like a summer mat. Okay, I switched out the flowers for this cute little pumpkin that says Happy Harvest. I think I got this last year at Hobby Lobby. They always have great decor, and most of the time it's like 50% off, so it's really affordable. So this is our little Halloween kind of fall table with the pumpkin and the candy for anyone that comes over. This is from Target. The candle, and then I just feel like those always look good. I'd like to get something to go here though. Okay, you guys, so this is what the front door looks like with the wreath and the little mat, which is also from At Home. Can you see Colby in there? I want to get either some pumpkins or some little topiaries to go in those too, so you guys have to let me know what you think would look cute. And then we have some little mums growing too that I'll show you guys later once they bloom more. But At Home always has really cute, like affordable home stuff. Are you wondering what I was doing out there? So I try to keep it pretty neutral in here until Christmas time, but I did add a couple more little pumpkins throughout the house. I always get like cute ones that kind of match our decor. So I think they're all from like Target or Home Goods, but none of them are from this year. I'm kind of at a point now where I have enough pumpkins, so I didn't need to go out and buy new ones. But yeah, these are both from Target. I think that one, like the bigger one, is from Home Goods from last year, but they probably have similar things this year. Once you have a house or your own place for a while, like you don't need to buy stuff every season. That's kind of the nice thing, is they last for a couple years. So I think it looks cute. Okay, you guys, what do you think Julian should be for Halloween? I think he was gonna be a little monkey because he loves bananas and he loves, his favorite book is Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. But maybe you want to be a puppy, like your brother Kobe. What do you think, monkey or puppy? What do you want to be? You guys vote in the comments. It has been exactly 3 hours and the chili is perfect. So if you guys cook it on high, 3 hours is fine. At this point, I would probably just turn it on like warm or low if you didn't want to eat dinner yet. But we're ready to eat dinner now. So just so you guys know, the seasonings are very important. If you like fresh garlic, you can do that. But with the tomato sauce, I tasted it. It tasted very like tomato-y, and I like it to taste a little bit more, I don't know, like salty kind of. So make sure you add in after, like taste it and see what it needed. So I had to add more salt. I did a little more chili powder, tons of garlic powder, cumin. Cumin helps it a lot, and a little more of everything else too. But the seasonings like make all the difference, and I tasted it, it was like perfect. So I'm gonna make a bowl together. You can do sour cream on top or fresh like avocado slices to make it like creamy. You could even do cheese too, which is really good. A little bit of sliced jalapeno. And if you are just eating whatever, you can do some tortilla chips on top too. If you're counting carbs or whatever, you probably don't want to do that, but I'm probably gonna put a couple on. And the cornbread is done too, and I tried a little bit and it's really good. If you guys want like a healthier alternative to cornbread, this is really good. It tastes great, I love it. But if you want like the real stuff, I always get like the cheese mix at Kroger, and that is like the best cornbread. Okay guys, so here's what the chili looks like. I added the toppings, some avocado, jalapeno, sour cream, and a little bit of cheese on top. So good. This is like our favorite recipe to make in the fall. I make it like once a week. I'll put this in Tupperware, keep it in the fridge, heat it up for like a minute in the microwave. It's great for lunch or dinner the next day. And here's the cornbread, which is really good too. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, got some fall inspiration, get excited. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Give this one a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.